Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to bypass the "This PC can't run Windows 11" message during installation. When you see the screen that says "This PC can't run Windows 11", do not close the setup. On your keyboard, press the Shift key and the F10 key at the same time. This will open the command prompt window on your screen. Inside the command prompt, type regedit and then press Enter. This will open the registry editor. From here, look at the left side and click on HKEY, LOCALMACHINE. After that, expand the System folder, then open the Setup folder. Now right-click on the Setup folder. From the menu, choose New, then click on Key. Name this new key Lab Config. Make sure the name is typed exactly as shown. Once the Lab Config key is created, click on it. On the right side, right-click in an empty space. Select New, then choose DWARD 32-bit value. Name this value Bypass TPM Check. After creating it, double-click on it and set the value data to 1. Then click OK. Next, right-click again in the same area. Choose New and then DWARD 32-bit value. Name this one Bypass Secure Boot Check. Double-click on it and set the value data to 1. Click OK to save it. After both values are set, close the registry editor. Then close the command prompt window as well. You will now be back on the Windows 11 setup screen. Click the back button once, then click Next again. You should see that the restriction message is gone. Windows 11 setup will now allow you to continue with the installation on your system. Thank you for watching.